Tony Asuncion, Business Manager of Haima, Pampanga. Right now, we are offering our MPV, Changhe Journey M60. It's a 1.5-liter manual engine. Gasoline po siya. So basically, yung mga MPV is catered towards sa mga family. So it's a 7-seater, so it has a third row. So definitely sa mga family, mga anak natin. So instead of buying a sedan, so kung may mga anak po tayo or extended family, so kasyang-kasya po rito. Yeah, primarily it's a 1.5 engine. Kung titignan natin yung loob, digital na yung kanyang cluster, naka-leather seats siya. Plus of course, yun nga yung capacity niya, 7-seater. Ngayon kung 5 lang po yung sasakay, pwede natin gawing compartment yung likod. So it can carry luggages, tapos kung golf carts, or balikbayan boxes, kasya po siya. So tama-tama meron tayong promo for the Changhe Journey M60 natin. For a price of $799, meron siyang discount na $180. So net price lang po niya is $619, 619K, which is kahit umikot po kayo, wala kayong makukuhang ganyang presyo for an MPV na 7-seater. Plus of course, when you buy a vehicle sa Laus Group, meron kaming ino-offer na free Laus Group Cares 24/7 roadside assistance. So yung mga benefits nun, it's worth $32,500. So kami lang po sa Laus Group ang nag-o-offer ng ganon. Laus Group Cares 24/7 roadside assistance. We are located along Seabad Santos Highway. Dito po katabi namin ng Car Mix. So Haima, Pampanga po. Or you can visit our Facebook page sa Haima, Pampanga po. Or you could call me, Tony Asuncion, at 0918-854-2215.